With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, when viewing through a compound microscope, our eye should be positioned not on the eyepiece but a short distance away from it for best viewing. The image of the it is an assertion. Now reason behind it is given. The image of objective in the eyepiece is known as eye ring. If let us suppose that we have a microscope, compound microscope, and this is a lens. Right now the distance of eye should be at some distance, not on eyepiece. If this is eyepiece, the distance of eye and eyepiece, there should be a distance between eye and eyepiece. Now why so? The reason is given. The image of objective in the eyepiece is known as eye ring, and if we position our eye on the eye ring, that means at this place, if we put our eye here, an area of pupil of our eye greater than or equal to area of eye ring, that means the area of our pupil, if cover this all view, our eye will collect all the light refracted by the objective. So here now when viewing through compound microscope, our eye should be positioned at a shorter distance away from the eyepiece. The image of objective lens in eyepiece, as we know, is known as eye ring. Right, this is the eye ring again, as it is explained in the question. So all the rays from object refracted by the objective to go through eye ring, right, go through eye ring. Therefore this is an ideal position of our eye to viewing, right? So if we position our eye at this place, that is too close to the eyepiece, the path of light rays would be obstructed and reduced our field of view. If we position our eye on the eye ring, and if the area of pupil of our eye is greater or equal to the area of eye ring, our eye will collect all the light refracted by the objective lens, right? So now the precise location of eye ring naturally depend upon separation between objective and eyepiece and the focal length of eyepiece. So when we view through microscope, by placing our eye on the one end, the ideal distance between eye and eyepiece is usually built in design of the instrument. So all in all, we can say the distance there should be some distance between eye and eyepiece, or else it will cover all the place and there will be no refraction. So both A and R are right, so option A is correct choice.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.